How's it going, everybody? Hope you had a good day in the market, or good morning, good open. Hope you're having a good day. I did pretty decent. I took a couple little tiny trades on the way back down here, and a couple little tiny ones here. I was going along, and then it just came back down on me. But I got a couple more here going up. Small trades, just looking for little bounces off 34 and 14. But after open, we came back down. We touched the 200, but our level down here was down at around 39, and it was starting to curl back up, and our fast-moving 14 was coming back over it. So I jumped in with 8 micros, and rode it up here, up above the moving averages. And as soon as it started to stall, I just got out. I could have probably stayed in, but would have came down and took me out. Would have been gross. But yeah, and it just continued up perfect. So it was a perfect bounce off our 40 on our RSI, and it worked like clockwork. We waited for it to curl, come down, flatten it a little bit, and then this came up, the fast moving 14, yeah, I think it's 14, and then it crossed again, and as soon as it crossed, we got in at the 40 and rode it up a little bit, and we didn't need much, just shot up pretty quick. So it was good. It was a decent day for a change instead of having rough days. But yeah, it was a really good day. So from today trading, what I learned is, like, the hell with all this nonsense. Don't even do it. I think I'm just waiting for my 40s and 60s when I'm in this, because that's what I was actually kind of trading here, was the 60s and 40s, and this was stupid. See, like, that was in the middle. I shouldn't have traded that. It was probably at 50. So in between the 60 and 40, like, the 50 is where you don't want to be trading. Like, you don't even want to be touching it. If you can get it to go short at 60, get it to go long at the 40, you're good. So yeah, this was absolute perfect trade here, right from the 200. So it showed I had support. We came down to the 40. This is after open. This was like, what time was this? This was like 9 minutes after open. And we got that bounce, went up, came back down, pulled back. As soon as we got above, we were right at the 40, took a long, and boom. So it works if you wait for the right circumstance. So that's all I got to do, is to hell with this small little trades. I'm waiting for a perfect cross right at the 40 or the 60. That's what I'm figuring out. Now, if it's trending, you can take the trend, obviously, but like now where it's in between the 40 and the 60, I wouldn't be really super excited. Like, you know what I mean? It might just chop here now for a little bit. I don't know. I probably box it out, and maybe if I want to take another trade and look for the 40 to 60 again, but that's just me. But anywho, yeah, so a really good day trading. Really, really good setup there. Like, that worked out perfect. And it was funny. I was talking with Canute the other day, and we were having a chat about that, and like he was saying, the 60, and like when we get that cross and that, and we got it right at the 40, it was like, and off to 200. I couldn't ask for any better than that, right? It was perfect setup, so I just took it and just boop, right on up there. But anyway, that's it for me, man. Good day. I'm gonna do it again tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to have less trades and just take those trades, like the perfect little setups. Like, this was probably at the 62 here. Well, at 70. Well, it would have been bad too. Like, got to the 70, crossed back over. Could have took one and rode it back down a bit, but it's okay. We're just kind of getting into it. Like, this is at the 50, is it? So that kind of wouldn't have been any good for me, but like 60s and 40s, man, or even 70s, whatever. But anyway, I hope you have a great day. If you need any accounts to take Profit Trader, please use code JW. Huge help, and I really appreciate everybody using the code. Like and subscribe. Earn the trade, JW. You know what I mean? It's up to you. Trade day, 40% off, no activation fee, code JWT. But yeah, great day, man. Like, I really like that. Like, that was so clean. It just worked out so perfect. So I'm really, that's going to be like one of my main things from now on. Like, that was such a clean and such a quick move. It was like 2 seconds. I think I was down $100. So I was up like $700 in like no time. It's just boom, done. All right. Was it 700? What was it? Yeah. So it would have been 624. So whatever, I was down a little bit, but anywho, that's it for me, man. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow, and good luck trading.